Fox 4 Stephen Dial joins us in our Dallas newsroom. The latest on that situation. Stephen.
Blake, this was definitely not the best example of social distancing amid concerns with the coronavirus. Passengers were in line for up to 5 hours just to get through customs. This is video sent to us by multiple passengers at DFW Airport. I talked to one Frisco woman. She tells me she was coming back in town from Germany after visiting her child. She stood in line for 4 hours. The woman says while on the plane, officials from the CDC handed out a questionnaire for them to fill out. Once off the plane, they stood in line for hours, but no one was screened for their temperature or any other things relating to the coronavirus, according to passengers we spoke with. We just got a statement from DFW airport officials saying DFW is one of 13 airports identified by the Department of Homeland Security to screen American citizens and others who are returning from European and other regions. These federally mandated enhanced procedures are part of the effort to prevent the spread of the coronavirus, according to DFW officials. They say it may cause delays, but it's for health and safety.
It was completely packed full of people. It just was crowded and just exactly the environment that we're trying to prevent with not gathering in large gatherings. And with trying to provide social distance, it just completely went opposite of that. So it wasn't a good environment. I kind of felt like if we didn't get coronavirus in Germany, we might have gotten it today during the customs process.
Now, you are still looking at images from DFW Airport, but they were not the only airport that saw customs problems. Passengers at Chicago O'Hare also posted videos of what looks like thousands of people waiting to get through that customs line. Meanwhile, Friday, President Trump announced a public-private partnership with multiple retailers and other companies to fight the coronavirus outbreak. Walmart, Target, and other stores will serve as drive-through testing sites in the coming days. Dallas-based company Signify will also be assisting the federal government. The tech company provides thousands of doctors and nurses to do house calls to sick patients. While their role has not been determined by the White House, company leaders say the government will tap into their network of medical staff to combat the virus.
We've got just about the largest network of doctors and nurse practitioners in the country. That network happens to be mobile, so we're accustomed to moving these clinicians around in our day-to-day business wherever they're needed. In any given day, Signify Health has roughly 3,000 clinicians in the field serving patients in all 50 states, in virtually every county in the United States. So our clinicians are not only high quality and well-trained, but they're flexible and they're mobile.
Back locally, the rector of Trinity Episcopal Church in Fort Worth tested positive for COVID-19 earlier this week. Church members say Father Robert Pace is improving and is still in the hospital. Today, the bishop for the Diocese of Fort Worth has canceled all in-person worship services for 2 weeks. This impacts more than 100 Episcopal churches from Fort Worth all the way to Abilene. In addition to the new Tarrant County patients, Dallas County added 2 new cases. Both men are in their 30s and 40s. They're at home. One had international travel and the other went on a cruise. As the numbers of local coronavirus cases tick slightly higher, we're also getting some good news about at least one of the patients who was treated. He's actually the first Dallas County case, a 77-year-old man. He left the hospital today. I spoke with Judge Clay Jenkins. He says the man is in great shape. Blake.
That's good to hear. Thanks, Stephen.